let's try this ISDIN K-Ox Eye Cream. Now this eye cream is for dark circles and under eye rejuvenation. As you can see, it comes out this thick-ish white creamy color. I can say it smells really good. It has a light fragrance to it. Definitely gives a luxury scent. I don't know how to necessarily describe a luxury scent, but it smells luxurious. So I'm just gently tapping it in with my fourth finger, really just massaging it in, and you can see it already starts to brighten the skin as soon as you apply and gives it a really radiant look. So what makes this eye cream so special is that it has hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin K. So it's supposed to oxidize and restore brightness to the eyes. It also is supposed to refresh your skin, the cooling ceramic applicator. And how you use it, you just apply it so you can smooth it on either with your finger or use the applicator to kind of extend it out, and then you'll just gently want to pat it in. So I definitely think this is an eye cream to give a try if you're in the luxury market for an eye cream. It already brightens your under eyes and gives you that super healthy radiant glow. If you have puffiness or under eye dark circles, I would definitely give this a try.